So, long story short, the audio from this clip is dog shit, so I'm gonna voice over it. This door has been shut closed for years because we lost the key. Fortunately, I found a bag full of random keys in my basement, and oh my god, did you see that? How did I do that? What the fuck? Anyway, let's see if any of them is the right one. No. These ones say Honda. Worth a try. This clip is not sped up. I'm just that fast, man. Nope. Nothing worked, and this door is gonna remain shut. And yeah, things can't get any worse than this. Well, filming outside is kinda out of the question right now, so let's go inside. After many years, it's finally time to open electricity. Huh? Oh my god. That orange light is just disgusting. Have no fear, cheap IKEA furniture is here. Ow, oh shit, it's warm. Who made this disgusting? Ow. Why so warm? There are some dangling wires. Hey! That's actually pretty nice. Well, this place is starting to feel a bit more cozy. And I also got this little thing over here. Okay, I'm not ready for another montage, so let's do this and yep, there we go. Okay, well, it's So this is supposed to protect the wood from the weather. I've never done a similar I've never done something similar. So yeah, let's see. Well, it's not great, but better than nothing, I guess. Only real gangsters remember where is this from. So I'm gonna make a little bird's house because I love animals in a friendly way. So looking at this, I realized that I didn't add the door, so there you go.
So my little birdhouse is ready, and I also made these 4 holes here, so if it rains, you know, the water is not gonna stay inside. I mean, I don't really care if it's gonna be a bird or a squirrel that's gonna live in here. And yeah, I think now it's time to climb that tree. And there it is, everyone. I nailed it and I tied it to the bronze. I'm gonna keep you updated in the future. Okay, so this video might be a little bit confusing because I'm constantly doing different stuff, and that's because we have ADHD, like all of us. That's gonna be a pain in the ass to edit. There are still a lot of things to be done, but I want to end this video with this clip.